went to Tesco. It was raining, and there were so many kids from the local school. Apparently that's just where they like to hang out, is the Tesco Express. It's like 50 of them. Not fun. The rain more than the kids. That seemed a little abrupt. Yeah, I've somehow managed to lose about half an hour's worth of footage, which included my intro and a couple of key important details, and I don't know how I lost it, I don't know where it is, I don't know what happened, but I'm missing some clips, and it's super frustrating. But basically what I said, happy Saturday, welcome back, welcome if you're new. Today I am making another Come Cook With Me video. I tried to sort of start this series back in the summer, and I made one video and I didn't actually do any cooking. I just made mocktails. Yeah. And I decided to revive it this time. We're doing some baking, which is at least, you know, closer to cooking. And today I'm making a vegan chocolate orange cake. I'm following one of my mom's recipes. It's on her blog. I'm gonna link it down below so you can follow along with it as well, because it's delicious. And yeah, basically that's that. I'm gonna get into the video now. I'm actually so frustrated because you know what? This video has now been filmed in over 3 days, 4 outfits, 2 locations, 2 hairstyles. I'm like, it's a mess, and I'm sorry, but I hope you enjoy it anyway. I always forget to preheat the oven. That's like my #1 problem with cooking, is I'll forget to preheat the oven. I'll get everything ready to go, and then I'll have to wait for the oven because I forgot to turn it on. So, did that first. You know, for some reason I thought juicing something would be a lot harder than that. So now I just feel like the queen of everything, you know? I've realized I don't really know what to do with the pulp now, but my kitchen smells amazing. And I've got some orange juice. Also, mad respect for anyone who makes homemade orange juice, because you would have to squeeze so many oranges. Second step is better for having had that intermission. Don't we all? Don't we all? Okay, what's next? That's like nearly this whole thing of almond milk. You know how much does almond milk cost? It's like literally like half this guy. That's wild. Where did the lid go? Ah, found it. I think that's gonna turn out being like pretty much all of this, or pretty much anyway. I got like a little bit left. That's cool. Two-thirds of a cup of oil. Is olive oil acceptable? Should I use something else? I don't know. I'm gonna call my mom, so I'm gonna have to. So I called my mom. That was farther back than I thought, and she told me to use not olive oil. So we're gonna use not olive oil. 2/3 of a cup sunflower oil. It seems like a lot of oil. It just smells so much like vinegar. I always feel like it should smell like apple cider, but it doesn't. It just smells like vinegar, and it's disappointing every time. this to get rid of that smell of vinegar. Whisk together. I'm whisking again. I thought it was in a mix. I'm whisking again. Add liquid to dry ingredients and store until moist, but not completely moist. Stir until moist, but not completely moist. Just like a my mom thing. I thought it was for a while, but it's really not. This is just all recipes. They use like this language that they expect you to just know. But I don't know. Because I don't know how to cook. That's why I use recipes. It's poor planning. Alright, let's mix this into this. Until moist, but not completely moist. Okay, honestly, every time I bake, which isn't very often, but every time I do, there is something that just makes me so happy about standing in my kitchen, holding a bowl like this, and using a wooden spoon to mix stuff together. I don't know why, I don't know what to categorize the emotion as, but it's a solid, good, happy emotion. What do we think? Is that not completely moist? I'm actually, okay. I just had fear, like I could see it, that just pouring out whole onto the floor. So, I'm sorry, but you don't get to see. Also, I keep singing today. Why do I keep singing? That was probably excessive, but I'd rather be over-greased than under-greased. Still smells very strongly of vinegar. Did I misread the recipe? Did I put too much vinegar in? That is a definite possibility. Oh no! Not chocolate all over it. I actually had another even more obnoxious Christmas jumper already down here, so it all works out. In the oven. We're almost there, guys. Not really, there's still a lot that could go wrong. I'm gonna set the timer for 30 minutes, and then I'll check it. Now we wait. And very clean. But my light, the cord, is kind of blocking the sink, so, and I don't really fancy taking it down and put it back up, you know? Maybe I'll just do the dishes after. The other clip that I was missing was here. This one I actually managed to find, but it kept saying download error and wouldn't let me do anything with it, so yeah, basically I came and I tipped the cakes out the pans. One of them came out perfect and I was well impressed, and the other one kind of crumbled and fell apart. So I have one cake instead of two, which means I'm having a 1-layer cake instead of a 2-layer cake. That's basically what there is to that. Yes. Hi, it's the next day. I kind of forgot, I thought I had more time than I did. That's how it is. That I had to go out. So my whole like, I don't really want to take down the light and then put it back up to like film my, whatever. Dumb. Got this one here. So we're gonna make a 1-layer cake instead of a 2-layer cake, which is kind of sad, but it's fine. So we're gonna make some icing, and we're gonna try and make it look pretty. So I'm gonna cut this in half because obviously we've only got the 1 layer now. So we've got 1/4 cup of butter. We need 2 cups icing sugar. Some more freshly squeezed orange juice. Should have held on to the last little bit that I've had, but I didn't, so I'm gonna have to do another orange. And then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm gonna mix these all together in a bowl, I believe. So I've got about 1/4 cup of butter. I kind of forgot that I had to cut this in half and started trying to measure out a 1/2 cup and was like, I definitely don't have a 1/2 cup of butter, and I don't really want to, sorry, that was loud. I don't really want to go to Tesco again, so what are we doing? But then I realized that I was supposed to half it, which is probably about a half cut up here, but I only filled it halfway. And I did have enough butter for that. Barely. And now 2 cups of icing sugar. Also, I think it's possible I'm supposed to be using an electric mixer. I'm actually just getting icing sugar all over myself. It's not ideal. I'm just gonna add all of this orange juice. Why not? I don't have any clue what I'm doing ever. It's great. It actually looks okay. Look at that. Did it. Icing is actually the easiest part though, so. I'm gonna ignore those bits. I might use them actually. So I'm just gonna try and do like a thick layer of the icing just on the top. I'm not gonna try and go down the sides because I know I'll mess that up. And you know, I've already messed up this cake. It's already not turning out as impressive as it should, so we're gonna try and make the icing at least look as good as possible, you know? Also, when my mom makes this cake, she makes it 2 layers, but there's icing in the middle and icing on top, but there isn't icing on the sides. I've actually got quite a bit of icing left. Should I just keep piling this on and get just like the tallest cake? Like just a lot of icing? Right, so you know what I'm thinking might be cute? Is if I sprinkle some of the crumbs from the ruined half on top. This light is making me look like an actual ghost. Right, I'm gonna make a teeny bit extra now. A work of art. Ooh. So that was Come Cook With Me. I made a cake. That's really heavy and I'm scared I'm gonna drop it. It turned out pretty good actually, honestly. Like, obviously I can taste it because this one fell apart. And I've got a little bit of icing left as well. That's a deconstructed cake right there. Oh! It turned out really well. I'm really proud of myself. I'm really annoyed that the one cake just fell apart. But, all in all, I'm very happy with it. And I learned how to do something new and cool. I'm gonna stop doing this with my hands all the time, eventually, I promise. As it is, thank you for watching. I hope you had a great Saturday. Hope you enjoy your Christmas baking, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!